Hi guys, welcome to Melbourne Mum Blog. I hope you all are doing well. आज ending the series for my keto recipes this month and everything that I had to discuss about my weight loss journey. I'm bringing the end of this series to a very delicious and amazing mouth-watering recipe. I am going to be making keto chocolate brownies. Yes, you heard that right. Keto and brownies and chocolate in between. It's a perfect, delicious recipe for desserts or even those cold nights where you want to just indulge into super gooey brownies. They are very easy to make and I love them. We love having them in our house. Mikhail also loves having them. They're super healthy. So I would highly recommend that if you guys are, into chocolate and brownies, you have to try this recipe. So let's start. Oh my god guys, these brownies, they look amazing. I cannot wait to try one because the dark chocolate chip that I added, it just looks so nice. So let me try one. Perfect. I think you guys will love making these brownies. They're super delicious and gooey and soft. So I think I'm gonna indulge and have some more, but make sure you like, share and subscribe and share it with anyone who might find this recipe very useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.